Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of high velocity impact of the steel projectile onto the composite panel with a steel here. The core is concrete and 4 epoxy glass layer at the end as a reinforcement. And if I click on the deform shape, you can see here this is a deform shape. I click on animate, you can see it is the steel. And the brittle material, the concrete, under impact, you can see damaged completely. You can see that, and after that, let's me to check the last increment, and you can see here, if I click on this, the failure of the fiber here for the composite epoxy glass, and the rebar inside this. For instance, if I click on ODB rebar, for instance 3, you can see the rebar inside that. See that these are the rebar. Okay, and the ductile damage criterion for the steel, the hashing damage criterion for the fiber, for the matrix, and here this is another for the fiber, and now the damage for the concrete. Let's me to remove the steel part, and this is the concrete or the plastic string. For that we can see the whole model for the concrete. This is the whole model, and let's me to remove that. And for instance, shear damage for the steel parts, this is the shear damage. Tessai-Hill criterion for the fail stress, and the other results which you can use them. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials. We have many English tutorials in our website. They are provided for English users. Click on the title, open a new tab, or the blue scientist, continue. And you will have this title, short explanation of the process and simulation, and the figures clarified all parts in the simulation. And there are some explanation about the material interaction and step, and the results here. You can see the difference result here. And there are 3 important points here. The file contains CAMP in English video file step by step, and the cost is $33 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay with that, but it is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.